Alright, now the third video is about measures to limit noise pollution or how we can control noise pollution. See, noise can be limited or controlled by controlling the noise source. If we control the noise source from where the noise is coming, then we can control the noise pollution. Okay, and we can control noise pollution by these following steps. Now one by one I will explain you what are these steps. See, television, radio, loudspeakers, these all are the sources of noise pollution. If we hear them on loud sounds, okay, so they should be played at low volume, they should not be played at high volume. If we play them on low volume, then they will not create noise pollution. Okay, so they should be played at low volume. Second thing, by installing high quality silencing devices. If we install high quality silencing devices, there are silencing devices which are present in the market, okay, and you can use these silencing devices in industrial machines and in home appliances. Okay, so by using the silences devices, you can control the noise pollution of these vehicles, aircrafts, engines, and many things, many automobiles who produces loud sounds or who creates noise pollution. Okay, third point is that we should not use loud vehicle horns. Whenever you use vehicles in you can say in the market or at the roads, so please do not use loud vehicles, because it do not only harm the ears of humans, but it also harms the you can say many animals are there, birds and insects are there, it create harm to them also. Okay, so we should not use loud horns, okay, loud sound horns. And fourth point is that noise producing industries, the industries which produces noise, they should be set up away from the residential areas where people are living, where there are colonies. Industries should not be set up in those areas where residential areas are there. Okay, fifth point, plantation of trees. Okay, as we know that trees absorb sound, okay, trees absorb sound, and if we do plantation, so plantation of trees should be done along the roadside. ठीक है, we can plant trees on roadsides and around the buildings, so that they can absorb excess of sounds and we can prevent noise pollution. Okay, next is that awareness campaigns. ठीक है, awareness campaigns should be done to make people aware about the harmful effects of noise pollution, and they should take measures that how we can control noise pollution. So we awareness campaigns should also be done in areas, in colonies, or in industries, or in companies. Okay, so this is about measures to control or measures to limit noise pollution. I hope you have understood, and here our chapter is also finished. Okay.